Hello everyone, welcome to maths classes. Today we are going to discuss what is a function. Let us first define. Let x and y be two non-empty sets. For defining a function, we must have two non-empty sets. Let one set be x and the another set be named by y. Then a function f from x to y is a rule which associates every element of x to a unique element of y. Means no element of x is left unassociated. Then we can say that rule is a function. For example, x be this set 1, 2, 3 and y be another set having the elements 2, 3, 4, 5. And we define a rule denoted by this small f which is associating x to x plus 1. We will check whether this is a function or not. So this is one set x having the elements 1, 2, 3 and this is another set y having the elements 2, 3, 4, 5. If we put 1 here, f of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. This rule f, this is the rule f which is associating 1 with 2. 1 an element of x is associated with 2. 2 is an element of y. Then put here 2, f of 2, that will be equal to 2 plus 1 means 3. Means 2 is associated with 3 via this rule. Then keep 3, f of 3 will be 3 plus 1, that means 4. Means 3 is associated with 4 with the help of this rule. Now come to the definition. For this to be a function, first of all we must have two non-empty sets. That is okay, we are having two non-empty sets. And this rule, we will check whether this rule is associating every element of x to a unique element of y or not. So these are the elements of set x. 1 is associated with 2, 2 is associated with 3, 3 is associated with 4. Means every element is associated via this rule to a unique element of y. Means 1 is associated with only 2, not associated with any other element. Means association is unique and no other element is left here. यहाँ पर आपके पास कोई एक ऐसा एलिमेंट नहीं बचा है जो उधर के किसी एलिमेंट से एसोसिएट ना हुआ हो. तो every element of x is associated and that is associated to a unique element. That's why this rule is a function. Now the left hand side set is called domain and the right hand side whole set is called codomain. Means x is domain, y is codomain. And the associated elements means if we put 1, 1 is associated with 2, 2 is associated with 3, 3 is associated with 4. These 2, 3, 4 are called the images of 1, 2, 3 respectively. Means 2 is the image of 1, 3 is the image of 2, 4 is the image of 3. These are images. And these are the pre-images. मीन्स एसोसिएट करने के बाद जो आपके पास रिजल्ट आया है उनको आप इमेजेस बोलेंगे एंड द सेट ऑफ ऑल द इमेजेस विल बी कॉल्ड रेंज. This is range which is a subset of right hand side. Means range is always a subset of codomain. This is domain. So we can see an example. 2 is the image of 1. 2 किसको रखने के बाद आया है? 1 को रखने के बाद. तो 2 is the image. किसकी image है? That is called pre-image. Okay. So this is about domain, codomain, range and image and pre-image. See this example. We are having two sets, say x and y. These are two sets. So this left hand side contains some words: Ali, Bhanu, Chavi, Divya, I. We are having a rule, that is F. What we are doing, we are associated every word here to its first alphabet. Means Ali is associated with A. This is yellow in color and somewhat light. You can see I am keeping it here. Okay. So Ali is associated with A. Bhanu is associated with B. Chavi is associated with C, and Divya is associated with D, and I is associated with E. Means every word on the left hand side is associated with its first alphabet, that is the element of the right hand side said Y. So this is the rule, means we are associating every word to its first alphabet. So this is a function. Why this is a function? We have two non-empty sets. Okay, every element of X is associated. That is the symbol of association. These arrows means this element is related, associated to this element. This is associated to B. This is associated to C, and this is associated to D. I is associated to E. So every element of X is associated and associated to a unique element. Ali is associated to A only, not with any other element. If we say कि Ali is associated with A, the unique image must be unique. That does not mean कि ये Ali आपके पास किसी और एलिमेंट पे नहीं जाना चाहिए. Means this situation must not be like this. If Ali is associated with A and B, means Ali does not have a unique association. This is not a function. So now this is a function. This is a function. Every element is associated to a unique element of Y, and if this I is there, Ali is associated with A, Bhanu is associated with B, Chavi is associated with C, Divya is associated with D. But this word I is not associated to any element of Y. This word has no association. और हमारी definition क्या थी? Every element of X must be associated to a unique element of Y. तो ये तो associated नहीं हुआ, तो ये भी function नहीं है. तो this is now a function. So the conclusion is that two non-empty sets we must have. Every member of X must be associated to a unique element of Y. Then we say that that rule is a function. So this is all about the definition of a function. Thank you.